The story of foundation and founder. Zara is the largest company in Inditex Group. The company specializes in fashion and products include clothing, accessories, shoes, and perfume. In 1975, the first Zara store was opened by the founder of Zara, Aminico Ortega. At 1936, he started his career as a garment shop worker, delivering clothes to the wealthy Arab society. He set his biggest goal in mind from the start is to become a billionaire by establishing a fashionable clothing business that is accessible to all classes, and Amanico did it as he was classified as the richest man in Spain and Europe until the end of 2015. Now he is also the owner of the largest clothing brand.
Michael Louis refers a phrase business model, a term of art like art itself. It's one of those things many people feel they can recognize when they see, especially the business model of most internal, clever or terrible companies was to attract huge crowds of people to a website and then sell others a chance to advertise product to the crowds. But Zara business model use push-based model, which means factories push out products to stores which are then sold to consumers. There is no customization or products being made to order.
At this point, we will talk about Zara system. In order to understand this point, we have to discuss two main things. First, we will talk about goods. Every piece of inventory has a sensor which defines its color, size, and also has a GPS to determine its place in the store. Second, the staff. They all have an iPad include application for in the inventory. For example, any customer need any piece doesn't exist in the floor, they can solve the problem by an iPad. We can summarize using information system at Zara as following. Design. Number 1. The goal of information system at Zara is to discover the best design trends. Number 2. The real-time information helps designers to decide about fabric cut and color when modifying existing clothes. Number 3. It has shortened the time from design conception to the arrival of clothes at the distribution centers. Number 4. Zara uses information system to track customer performance and sales. Number 5. The valuable data gathered helps the firm to plan, style, and assure repeat order based on feedback. Number 6. Zara uses software like C-Design and Curiel. It allows Zara to create and market its collection. Distribution. Number 1. Zara has its own centralized distribution system. It keeps almost half of its production in-house and uses smart technologies to have a competitive advantage instead of relying on outsourcing. Number 2. The company manufactures and distributes product in small batches using the computerized system. Number 3. Zara gets a competitive advantage by offering consumers stylish clothes at inexpensive prices, and it has a better response to suppliers and levels of quality.
Who are the competitors and what Zara have they haven't? H&M is regarded as one of Zara's main competitors. Compared to Zara, H&M makes $3.3 billion more profit. H&M's infrastructure utilizes the most innovative technology for security. This success in the fashion industry cannot be achieved without a significant investment in information technology. Information technology overcomes communication barriers and helps to interconnect all the entities in supply chain by sharing information. These facts demonstrate the important role that a proper information technology investment has in the success of an organization in the fashion industry. The fast fashion model adopted by Zara is also a strong source of competitive advantage, with fashion cycles changing every now and then. And also that facilitates the production process by supporting it, as well as helping a large group of creative designers to bring new ideas to Zara stores. How does Zara help to get more benefits? 1. MIS is used to monitor and manage the whole process of making products. 2. MIS is also used to communicate with suppliers where to get materials, with divisions of operation inside the factory to run the whole process effectively and efficiently, and with distributors for shipping as well. 3. MIS is also used to recording feedback from customers in circular, and it